Everything you need to know about diabetic ketoacidosis. DKA is a serious complication of diabetes that occurs when your body produces high levels of blood acids called ketones. These ketones build up when your cells don't get enough glucose for energy. Symptoms of DKA can include excessive thirst, frequent urination, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, confusion, and fruity smelling breath. Yep. You heard that right. Fruity breath. If left untreated, DKA can lead to serious complications such as swelling in the brain, fluid buildup in the lungs, kidney failure, and even death. Scary stuff, I know. It's crucial for individuals with diabetes to monitor their blood sugar levels regularly, especially when feeling unwell or experiencing symptoms of DKA. Treatment for DKA typically involves a combination of insulin therapy, intravenous fluids, and electrolyte replacement to help normalize blood sugar levels and reverse the acidic environment in the body. Remember, prevention is key when it comes to DKA, so make sure to work closely with your healthcare team to manage your diabetes effectively and avoid potential complications. But hey, we're all about keeping it light here at Healthline Champions. So don't forget to hit that like button if you're enjoying this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on managing your health with a touch of humor. Join our community and embark on a journey to a better, happier, and more vibrant you. Subscribe now for more related health remedy solutions. Until next time, stay informed, stay healthy, and stay tuned to Healthline Champions, your partner in health education and empowerment.